In iOS 27, Apple really boosted the Shortcuts app thanks to Apple Intelligence and Siri AI. In this video, I will show you this new update. You'll see it's really impressive. Now you can simply describe your shortcut and your Apple device will generate it for you. How cool is that? But before we start, make sure to hit that subscribe button if you like this type of content. Without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so in iOS 27, to generate a new shortcut, you have to tap on this plus new shortcut button. You'll see this new interface, this kind of bubble. What do you want your shortcut to do? And all you have to do is simply describe a shortcut. Let's try something interesting. Imagine you are my personal assistant. Use my personal context, brief me for important events of the next week, what kind of activities do I have and what is important. This shortcut should be called iSecretary. So the iPhone is finding appropriate actions, looking into it. You see this new interface, finding actions. Everything happens very fast. Assembling your shortcut. This shortcut will find calendar events in the next 7 days. It will find incomplete reminders. It will analyze my schedule with Apple Intelligence, and it will display my personalized weekly briefing. Let's run it. Takes a couple of seconds to collect all my data, but the creation process is super easy. So here's your briefing for the upcoming week. Most critical, travel and health. Tomorrow, you have a departure from Nice to Budapest. Shows me my stay, important activities. I have CrossFit, I have food delivery at 11 a.m. and I have all kind of things here, so that's exactly what I was looking for. Kinda cool. I like it. Let's try something different. Something more difficult. Generate a shortcut that allows me to input an item with my voice and add it to my grocery list in Reminders app. Take in mind that I should speak a text with several items and you should add every item separately, not as one item. Hope you got the idea. So I've described my shortcut, everything I wanted. It's looking for the grocery list in the Reminders app and everything happens automatically. This shortcut will listen to your dictated grocery items, separate the items using Apple Intelligence and add each item to your grocery list. Let's run this shortcut and see if it works. Butter, potatoes, chips. Okay, I added 3 items. And it automatically added them to my grocery list. How cool is that? And if your grocery list is long, you can spend a minute dictating all the items and it will automatically add them to your grocery list. How cool is that? And this is what I call useful AI. It's making your life easier, faster, and better. What a nice cool feature. I like this new shortcuts creation. But let's try something even more interesting. A shortcut that allows me to generate a wallpaper using Apple Intelligence and set it as my wallpaper on my device. So I want this shortcut to generate a wallpaper on my device. Anything. It can be a gradient, it can be like something cool. So wallpaper, choose. Let's choose, I don't know, this one. Done. Thinking. This shortcut will ask for a description of the wallpaper, generate an image using Apple Intelligence, and set the generated image as your wallpaper. Let's run it. Beautiful future. I'm just curious what kind of wallpaper it will generate for beautiful future. Okay, allow. Oh my god. I like this feature, so you can basically generate any kind of wallpapers on your device. You don't have to go to Google, you can just describe your wallpaper and it will generate it for you, and the quality is really good. I like it. Let's try something different. Psychedelic gradient. Just for fun. Let's see what will be the final result. Ooh, that's exactly what I was looking for. Cool. I like this shortcut. Blue, green and red gradient. Wow, it's really impressive. Let's try something else. Dog eating a hot dog. Kind of funny, so you got the idea. Really cool shortcut. Let's generate a bunch of new shortcuts on my iPad. Okay. Shortcut that can tell me the exact number of shortcuts on my device. This shortcut will get all your shortcuts counted on a number and display the result. You have 42 shortcuts on this device. That's exactly what I asked for. Let's try something different. Estimate the stress level of this week using my HRV data. This shortcut will find your HRV samples from the last 7 days, calculate your average HRV, and estimate your stress level. With an average HRV of 40 times this week, your stress level appears elevated. Great! It works! And lastly, let's try something completely random, just to test the feature. Open the Amazon app, start playing the podcast, and turn on the flashlight. Okay, so I have to choose which podcast I want to listen. Whatever. Finding actions, thinking. Open Amazon. Play the podcast and turn on flashlight. Amazon, flashlight, and the podcast is playing. Here it is.